Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the Volvo Cars application to remotely manage my vehicle, but recently it stopped connecting and wouldn't update my car's status. If you are also facing the same kind of problem, here are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can use in order to fix this issue. First of all, we need to just reconnect your Volvo ID inside the application, because sometimes the connection between your app and the car can break after a system update or any app glitch. So you need to simply open your app and then go to the settings of your device. In your settings, you just have to go to account, and here you need to make sure that you are signed in with your correct Volvo ID. If you are already signed in, you just have to first of all log out, and then you just have to sign back it again. Now, refreshing your Volvo ID connection often fixes syncing issues like remote start not working or vehicle status updates failing. Now, if you are still facing any kind of problem, you can try the second method, in which you just have to simply check if your vehicle's modem or internet connection is active. The Volvo car application relies on your car's built-in SIM card or the internet system to send and receive the data. So if your car's connection is weak or offline, the app won't update. So you need to first of all sit inside the car and check for any notifications on your dashboard about connectivity, and ensure that your vehicle's connection plan is also active. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.